Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to attract a man by creating an energetic vacuum. So by the time that you're done watching this video, you will have a very good understanding of the basic principles for how to attract a man using feminine energy and creating an emotional vacuum. So I'm assuming that if you're watching this video, you are a woman. Now there is very, very deep ingrained symbolism, behaviors, and things that people are unconsciously, instinctually attracted to. So because you're a woman, most men are attracted to feminine energy, to your feminine essence. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of masculine and feminine energy, and it's also symbolized in the yin-yang symbol. Masculine energy is aggressive, symbolized by power. It is symbolized by doing. It is symbolized by what is seen in the world, what is physical. And the opposite of that is feminine energy, which is receptive. It is dark, but not dark in like the evil way. It's dark more of like unseen, unconscious. So for instance, the dark in a womb where you're growing a baby. It is mysterious, still also. It's still, it's receiving. It's not action, go, 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 and sun. It is the darkness, the night, where things are still and quiet. So think about it like that. So everybody at a very deep subconscious level knows this. And if they are a male, they're more prone to act aggressive, they're more prone to pursue, they're more prone to get out there into the world. And if you're a woman, you're more prone to be pursued, be in the receiving position, the responding position, and to do things more in the unseen. Okay, so it's very, very basic masculine and feminine energy. You have to have an understanding of this in order to attract a man, because this is what men are attracted to. Now, when we're talking about creating an energetic vacuum, I actually got this idea from Alan Watts. So I don't want to take credit for it. If you want to listen to the entire talk by Alan Watts, where I got these ideas from, I'll link it in the description below. But basically, if a woman wants to attract a lover, she will not pursue him. I repeat, she will not pursue him, because if a woman is aggressive towards a man, the man will instinctually and subconsciously think that there is something wrong with her. Okay, that there is something wrong with her, because if she is aggressive and pursuing him, this means that she must have had trouble with her past lovers, her past relationships, and he's going to subconsciously be thinking there must be something secret about her that I don't know about that is undesirable, very undesirable, okay? Whereas if she took the opposite approach and she didn't pursue and she was a little bit difficult to get, right? She was a little bit difficult to attain and to court. She will, in his mind, become highly prized. Highly prized. That is how you want to be seen, is highly prized. So you want to give a little bit of difficulty. Not too much where they give up. You want to make them pursue and work a little bit for it. Work a little bit for you. And that is embracing feminine energy. You want to be in the receptive mode. You want to be pursued. You want to be the one responding. So the way to translate this into practical day-to-day dating and life is, say you're on Tinder or POF or whatever, or even at the bar, it should be the guy coming to you first. It should be the guy messaging you first. Cardinal rule. Yes, there are exceptions. I'm sure there are very happy couples out there where the woman reached out first, but in general, if you want to embrace the feminine energy and not be aggressive and create that energetic vacuum, you are creating a void. That's what you're doing at an energetic level. You are creating a void, and it becomes an energetic void between you two, and he will want to fill it, because that will be his instinctual masculine energy coming out. Instinctually, he will want to fill the void that you're creating, and he will want to get sucked into your vacuum. Wow, that came out really not the way I wanted it to come out, but yeah, that's basically the principle of it. So he should always be the one that comes to you first. He should be the one making the plans. I'm not saying ignore him and be rude. You want to respond appropriately. So if he wants to spend time with you, okay, set up a time and date. If he wants to talk to you and he calls you, you're going to call him back. You're going to give him the respect and time of day and respond appropriately, but you are not going to be the one chasing. You aren't going to be the one that comes up to him first. You aren't going to be the one initiating the conversation every single time. You aren't going to be the one blowing up his phone. You aren't going to be the one always calling him, and you aren't going to be the one always making the plans. That's up to him. And if he is truly interested in you, he will pursue you. There is absolutely no doubt about that. That is what a man will instinctually do. So don't feel the need to chase. If you feel the need to chase, you are not going to get what you want out of this guy. This guy isn't going to meet your needs. You want a guy to want you. You want to be wanted. Let him work. He wants that because you are the prize. And when he works for you and gets you, it's going to feel amazing for him. It's very fulfilling for a guy to go through that entire chase game. Work on being patient. Work on being good at playing that game. You don't have to respond to him as soon as he texts you. You can wait. You ever notice how when you don't want something and you're not really that attentive to it and you kind of just, you're kind of flippant about it, it almost seems to chase you. And that's not just people, that's things too. Things just show up that if it did or didn't, you wouldn't be chapped about it. It would be nice if it did, but if it didn't, it's not going to ruin your life. But when you have the opposite approach and you're desperate and aggressive and needy and wanty and clingy, the further and further he seems to run from you, or the further and further that thing seems to be in your life. Switch your mentality and your mode. Embrace your feminine energy. It is very powerful. If you want more dating advice videos or life advice, just subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.